Hi, thanks for tuning in to the second video of the NitroBrew Kettle system series. In this episode, we're going to talk about safe usage of the system. So first, let me start by talking about the compressor. When you get your NitroBrew Kettle system, the compressor will come preset to 45 PSI. That's the absolute max that you could use with the Kettle systems. You're free to experiment between 30 and 45 by lifting here and adjusting. Second, I want to talk about the proper lidding of the kettle. So once you've poured your beverage in, you're going to place the lid a little off center from the handle until it's flush. Okay? Then lock into place. So I'm not going to be able to get that off. Okay? Let's try it out with some coffee. Pour that in. I turn on my compressor, max 45 PSI. Place the lid on flush and lock it into position. And from there, I'm going to charge. Now this step, you could use one of two things to make sure that the kettle is done charging. You can use your ear or you could use your eyes. If you're in a loud coffee shop, oftentimes you're not going to be able to hear the compressor shut off. And sometimes if the compressor is stowed away out of sight, you're not going to be able to watch the gauge until it reaches your desired PSI to know when you're done. So in that case, I would recommend just leaving the kettle pushed into the charger for about 10 seconds. So you could hear the compressors running. I could see that it's getting up to my desired PSI. And just like that, shuts off automatically. Next step is safe handling of the kettle. To make sure that we don't damage the handle, we want to use two hands on the kettle to shake the beverage after you charge it. This you could do for about 5 to 10 seconds. And to make sure that the kettle took its charge on a flat surface, it should spin like this. When we dispense, we want to dispense upside down. That way the beverage is down here and all of the excess air and gas is up here. So we dispense upside down. Just like so. And then this is very important too. We want to go over a sink or something like that to vent out the excess pressure before we remove the lid. In safe washing, you can take out the gasket. We have a locking feature here if you push in and turn. Okay. And all of this is now good to go into your dishwasher. So cheers, thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in next week for the third episode.